Let's get better at reading. Lesson 2. First, say the sound. Then listen to see if you got it right. Eh, I, ah, ah, eh, mm, mm, t, ah, I, ah, mm, mm, t, 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 ah, t, eh, t, mm, I, t, t, uh, mm, t, mm, t, mm, t, 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 eh, t, t, ah, t, I, t, t, ah, it, it, at, mm, mom, it, it, mm, mm, it, f, t, f, f, t, f, a, t, e, f, t, t, f, t, f, in, an, an, man, it, fit, in, fin, an, fan, un, fun, t, an, ten, n, men, not, not, on, off, off. Here's a test. See how you do. T, a, e, f, I, N, ah, f, on, on, in, it, it, mom, f, an, fan, t, an, tan, t, an, ten, n, men. If this test was easy, go on to lesson 3. If this test was a little hard, repeat lesson 2. If this test was very hard, go back to lesson 1. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when the next lesson comes out.